Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Meal. It came the 27th on my birthday. This is from Tracy Lorenzen Hind. I can't wait to open it. I try to be careful, but you all know I don't do anything nice and easy. I'm more like Tina and Ike. Some of you will get that. We don't do anything nice and easy. Rolling. Okay. Have a little trouble with the tape. See, this is why I kind of like to open it before, but I hate to because I know you like to see it opened. Let's see.
Everybody out in YouTube land's taking bets on.
Would they rather watch me struggle or?
No, on the damage you're going to do to yourself with those scissors.
Stop. Okay, here we go. Almost. Tracy's channel is the same name. I will list it in the description. Tracy is amazing with the things that she makes, and if you have not seen her fairy collab video, you need to see it. Her skills are amazing, just really amazing. I'm going to try to untie this. Yes, it will, because I will save this plastic bag. Darren cooks with a lot of garlic, so I wrap fabrics and stuff, everything, in plastic. Look at this. Bicycle fabric. I am loving that.
That is so cool.
Save for last. Okay, so we'll save that for last. And I want to get a look at this fabric because I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, how cool is that? Look at this fabric. Darren and I are cyclists, and we love anything that has bicycles on it. Our whole house used to be, and I say used to, it's still there, you just can't see it for all the dolls. I will be making, well, am I lying?
Nope. I'm laughing at me.
Even our shower curtain has bikes, well, two shower curtains have bikes on them. We love it. All right, let's see what else we did get. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I love this. I saw somebody else open this the other day, and I thought, I need one of those. But I'm not going to open it. I want to display it in the container. And you know, I love pink hair. Oh, my God, that's cute. What does that say? Gemstone. Oh, it's a gemstone, which is a wishnick. How cute is that? Good luck, trolls. Love it. Now this, I'll bet, fits my little elf. We will try it. How cute, how cute, how cute. And she even put a backing piece on it. How nicely wrapped. Look at the little purse. Oh my God, that's so cute. And look what we have for a swing. Isn't that amazing? And beehives. Darren used to be a beekeeper when we were in South Dakota.
It's like a turtle.
Oh, it is a turtle. I have beehives on my mind. And the little fox. I love the little fox. Oh, this is so cute and so well made. Look at this. Oh, my, Tracy. This is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. Might fit my chubby Blythe. We'll have to see. Save to last. Let's see what it says. Flamingos. You all know I love flamingos. How cute is that? Tracy, you just listen to everything I love. Dear Marna and Darren, thank you so much for the trolls and the fun ideas and collabs. I'm sure that you will have a doll that will fit that this dress fits. I hope you can find a use for the fabric. Now, you know I will. And we know that the troll is not the smallest, but I'm sure you will still think it's cute. Have a wonderful day, Tracy. Look how cute this dress is on my little baby alive. I just love it. I was hoping that the dress would fit my chubby Blythe, but their wingspan is incredibly wide. It is so wide that armholes have to be, well, huge. But she did get the little purse because I love that little purse. That is crocheted out of that string, that crochet, well, I can't think what it's called. It's been a long weekend. Darren has treated me from everything from the circus Friday, Saturday we ran around, Sunday we went to Kansas, and then we went to a train club meeting, and then yesterday I had my yarns at the library, and then we went to Columbia and had another huge day. So I'm tired this morning. But Tracy, this is adorable, and it is a functional bag. My little Blythe loves, loves, loves that. Thank you so much. It's a hug in a box, and I'm feeling the love. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Go by and have a look at Tracy's channel. You will not be disappointed. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe here and on Tracy's channel.